In this video, we're going to be installing these performance taillights on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. There's two screws right here and right here. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take those screws out. Take those out and grab the light assembly and just pull it straight back, just like that. The new light has these push pins, so I'm going to take these out. You can just use a trim tool or a couple trim tools, get underneath and just pop these clips off. I'm just using plastic tools just so I don't scratch anything. Take those out. Before we put the taillights in, we have to install these resistors on the back side. You want to use some of the double-sided tape. You can cut this in half. And one's going to go on the top and one's going to go in the bottom. And there's also holes for screws where you can add the screws as well. Just take this off. You want to kind of leave that backing open a little bit, just for airflow. That's good right there. You can trim the excess. Oops. There we go. And peel that off, nice and easy. Now you want to clean the surface inside of here. You can stick them anywhere or drill them in anywhere that is going to be out of the way of the lights. The obvious place right there. That's going to work. Oops. Right there, and then you can drill holes and put the little screws in there. Do the same on the bottom one. All right, there we go. Now this one's going to go in here. I already cleaned the back of that. Stick that to there. That one's going to be a little harder to get the screws in. That's good. You want to install the clips or the J-nuts. Just force those on. If you have to, use some type of tool that you can push it on. Makes it a little easier. There's your light. Now we're going to take the sockets out of the old light and we're going to put them in the new light. Now there is different locations for these. So this is the reverse light. So we want to take that one out. Leave that bulb in there. You want to transfer that to the bottom one on this light. All right, push that in and then twist it. So that's for the reverse light. You can slide those wires in there. Then the next light, you're going to take this bottom one, take that out. We're going to take the bulb out of here. You're going to connect it right here. Connect the connector. And slide the wires inside there. And the same thing, get that lined up. And twist it to the right so it locks. And the last socket, we're going to take this out. Because the new one has LEDs and it's already used from the lower one, you don't need this one. So take this bulb off of here, and you want to just take a wire tie. And you can wire tie this out of the way. It's not needed. It's fine like that. Now connect these connectors. And slide the light in place. Now take the two screws, get those both started. And just snug those down, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.